In this video, I'm going to make some fried green lentil bhajiyas. They're soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside, and is a favorite appetizer during Ramadan. It goes really well with our fresh coconut chutney. To begin, I have 1 cup of split lentils. I'll wash and soak them in some warm water overnight, or at least 4 to 6 hours. In the morning, I'll wash the lentils and remove as many of the shells as possible. Drain all the water and add this to a food processor, along with chopped onions, cubed potatoes, a clove of garlic, and some chilies. The chilies are optional. Start by pulsing for a few seconds and scrape down the sides. Then process at the highest speed to make a very fine mixture. When done, it should look like this. Remove the mixture to a bowl and give it a good whisk to fluff the mixture. Now put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. While you're waiting for it to be ready, chop the cilantro finely and prepare the coconut chutney. For the coconut chutney, I'm using half of the meat from a fresh coconut. But if you don't have a fresh coconut, you can also use desiccated coconut. I'm also going to use half a bunch of coarsely chopped cilantro, 3 to 4 hot chili peppers, and this is where you can adjust the spice level. And lastly, about 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice and salt to taste. Start by adding the coconut into the blender. Next, we'll add the cilantro, chilies, lemon juice, and salt. Now close the lid and blend the ingredients until smooth. This will take a few minutes. You will need to stop the blender and push down the ingredients a couple times during the process. You may also need a quarter to a half cup of water. When done, it should look like this. Transfer it to a serving bowl. Add a leaf or 2 of cilantro to garnish, and your chutney is ready. Now getting back to the bhajia, remove the mixture from the refrigerator and add a teaspoon of salt and the finely chopped cilantro. Mix well to incorporate the ingredients. Next, over medium heat, place a wok and add 3 to 4 cups of oil. Let the oil heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then using an ice cream scoop, get a scoopful of the mixture and transfer to the oil. Add a few bhajiyas in the oil, but don't overcrowd them. Let them cook for a couple of minutes and then turn them. Cook for another 2 minutes, and once golden, remove to a wire rack. Continue until all the bhajiyas have been fried. So let's see how they turned out. Soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. Now I'm going to give it a taste test. They are crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside, and I'm going to try it with this chutney. Wow, delicious. You can hear the crunch, and they're so soft on the inside. They are delicious, and this chutney is to die for. It is so good, and you can't eat just one. I'm gonna have to eat many of them. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.